Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with DK sir. Once again, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in previous video, we have already discussed in LBPS logic building effective problem solving, if else, right, with the using of the logical operator and or not, right. So today we are going to discuss what is the nested if else. Nested if else basically condition inside condition. So simple, I take an input box, right click edit, and I want to write here like I want to make a sprint grading system. So you can write here enter your marks. I took it variable here marks and click done, click outside. Now we take a condition box and check a condition here. So I want to check if marks greater than equals to 90, right, and marks less than 100, right, no, less than equals to 100 because marks normally 100, not more than to that. Click done, click outside. So if this range satisfied, this condition satisfied, so it will show the excellent or grade A. So I take it here excellent and click done, click outside. Now I want to check another condition for the no. Again drop on the flow lines, add it. Now I want to check if marks greater than equals to 80 and marks less than 90. Okay. So in that case, I'm going to show like very good. Just save it like nested if else EKS. So in that case, suppose I show very good. Click on this. Yes, condition drop here. Right click like double quotation. Very good. Okay. And click done. Click outside. Again, another condition you have to take it here. The third. So this is where you're going to be continue. Suppose you want to make a fail like less than 50 or any particular condition. So you can use again marks greater than equals to 70 and marks less than 80. Okay, click done, click outside. So in that scenario we can show the good. So again output box, I drop it here. I can right click edit, double quotation, you have to show good. Okay, so this is where you're going to be continue. Okay, so once you marks below 50 you're going to fail. Let's run this and check. Suppose I give it 90, you can see excellent. Again on this, suppose I give in the marks like 80, you can see very good. Again run this and suppose I give in here 70, so you can see good. So this is way you can continue. Okay, so I hope you like it. Thank you so much.